In this video, we'll show you how to set up the GoDaddy Smart Terminal Flex with your Star Micronics printer, model TSP143IV.
You'll learn how to set up your printer,
Connect the printer to the Smart Terminal with your network Ethernet connection, and connect a cache drawer to your printer. Let's start with your Smart Terminal Flex screen.
go to the Accessory Manager and select Add Accessory. From there, click Printers. Next, you should activate your Star Micronics printer, model TSP143IV. Plug one end of the power cord into the printer and the other into a power source. Load the receipt printer paper from underneath the roll. Then power it on. Press the Feed button to make sure that the paper is loaded correctly.
Now you can connect the GoDaddy Smart Terminal Flex to the Star Micronics printer.
Make sure that your Star Micronics printer is connected to your network router or access point using the provided Ethernet cable.
The printer should be connected to the same network as your Smart Terminal Flex. Now, you'll need to enter the IP address into the Smart Terminal Flex to connect it.
Here's how to get the IP address. With the printer powered off,
Hold the Feed button and power on the printer at the same time. Hold until you see 2 test receipts print,
and the current IP address will be near the bottom of the second receipt.
On the Smart Terminal Flex, once you've added the model number and IP address,
You should see the printer is now connected to the device.
at this point, you should be able to print a test receipt from the Smart Terminal Flex.
If you have a compatible Star Micronics cache drawer, follow these steps to connect it to your Star Micronics printer. Using the RJ cable that comes with your cache drawer, plug the end labeled Cache Drawer into the drawer and the other end labeled Printer into your connected Star Micronics printer. Once connected, you'll be able to test your cache drawer.
By default, receipt settings are enabled with order numbers and items, but you can change this under receipt settings after setup. That's how you set up your Star Micronics printer with your GoDaddy Smart Terminal Duo. Thanks for watching.